Hello everyone. Today I shall be telling you how the same planets give different result in different individuals' chart. Hello everyone. Salam. Namaste. I welcome you all to my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon if you like what I do. Thank you. So guys, there are 9 planets in the Vedic astrology system जिसमें जुपिटर एंड वीनस आर एब्सोल्यूट बेनिफिक यानी ये शुभ ग्रह है. मर्क्यूरी एंड मून मिक्स्ड इफेक्ट देते हैं, डिपेंड करता है ये किसके साथ बैठे हैं. मंगल एंड मार्स वैसे तो अच्छे हैं बिकॉज इनके साथ में गुस्सा एसोसिएटेड है, इसीलिए इन्हें कम्प्लीटली पॉजिटिव नहीं माना जाता है. सैटर्न एंड राहु कंप्लीट मेलेफिक है, यही दो कुंडली में विषाद यानी दुख का कारण है. और केतु ये डिपेंड करता है किसके साथ है, ये डिबेटेबल है बिकॉज केतु वैसे तो पॉजिटिव है बट क्योंकि राहु सामने होता है इसे नेगेटिव माना जाता है.
How do these different planets affect us? How do they send their vibration? Now first we need to understand guys that everything around us has its own energy. The clothes that I wear, the shoes that I wear, the bag that I use, everything has its own energy. For instance guys, we feel a distinct comfort only when you sleep on your own bed with your own pillow. If you happen to go to a new place, people get discomforted over there. They're not able to fall asleep easily because the energy of that new place is not gelling, is not matching with your energy, and that is the reason you feel the discomfort. But even if it takes 2 to 3 days in that new place, people are not able to sleep. Even though they are tired, they won't be able to sleep because the reason is only one thing: your energy is not matching with that place. But when you come back, you get your own pillow, you fall asleep quickly. This is how energies are there around us. So guys, these huge celestial bodies, these gigantic balls in the sky, they are sending in their vibrations each day. And my body is absorbing them. And how much will my body absorb? In what ratio will it absorb? It all depends on the combination that my birth chart is having. Because my birth chart is representing nothing but the formation of my body, of my soul. So guys, if in my birth chart, as per my birth chart, I have 20% presence of Saturn in my body, 10% presence of Moon in my body, and 30% presence of Rahu in my body. So my body, we are moving around on the planet here, my body will absorb 10% of the vibrations from Moon, 20% from Saturn and 30% from Rahu, and that will make a negative combination in my body that will affect my life. Whenever I go to someone, people will treat me accordingly because my body is sending out those vibrations towards others. The same thing happens guys. Let us take another example, sun. If someone's sun becomes malefic, people don't respect them. They lose their respect and reputation in the society. Wherever you go, you get disrespect. People don't respect you. Even though you are the best of the human being, you have not done anything wrong to anyone, still people won't respect you. You have lot of knowledge, people know you that you have knowledge, still they won't respect you. Why does that happen? Because your body is sending such vibrations. Your body has absorbed these vibrations from the universe. Your sun is 5%, your Rahu is aspecting it 10%, another 10% for instance Saturn is aspecting it. So it becomes absolute negative combination for the sun energy in the body, and people won't respect you wherever you go. This is the reason, and ultimately what happens, these same combinations will also affect your mental health, your body, your internal organ, everything gets affected. So guys, it becomes a vicious cycle. And likewise, if the combinations are good, it becomes a positive cycle. Everything happens in a very happy-go-lucky manner. This is the simplest way to understand guys how the same planets are giving different results to different people. It depends on what combination we have brought in our birth chart at the time of our birth. This is how they affect our aura. This is aura. And further, if my thinking is negative about myself, this condition is going to worsen. So to heal it, I should be at least positive about my life. No matter how negative the scenarios are going around me, I should be positive in order to heal my aura. And slowly and steadily, if I do it, if I bring it in my behavior, the radiations, the absorption of the negative things can be reduced. So we need to have a conscious existence. This lost existence of why is this happening with me, God is unfair with me, is not going to help anyone. And very, very important thing, God is not unfair with anyone. If you have a negative combination of elements in the body, of planets in your body, it's because of your past life karma. That's all, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you understood what I was trying to explain. If you did understand, do let me know.
That's all for today, guys. I hope what I said made sense to you. I'll be back with another topic. Till then, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you liked what I said. Bye bye.